told you that this golden spice sitting in your kitchen right now is more powerful than most pain medications. And it's been hiding in plain sight for thousands of years. My name is Mark, and 3 months ago, I could barely climb the stairs without wincing in pain due to chronic knee problems. Today, however, I'm pain-free. And it's all thanks to this incredible root. I'd like to show you why turmeric should be a staple in your daily routine. The thing is, millions of us take ibuprofen and other NSAIDs every day to relieve pain and inflammation. However, long-term use can damage your stomach lining, as well as your kidneys and liver. Meanwhile, this golden treasure has been solving the same problems for over 4,000 years without any nasty side effects. The magic ingredient is curcumin, which studies show is as effective as many prescription anti-inflammatory drugs. What makes curcumin so incredible is that, unlike NSAIDs, which only block one inflammatory pathway, it blocks multiple pathways simultaneously. It's like having a whole fire brigade instead of just one firefighter. Research from the Journal of Medicinal Food found that curcumin reduced arthritis symptoms by 58%, a result that outperforms many prescription medications. Unlike pills that merely mask symptoms, turmeric actually helps your body to heal at a cellular level. Let me share my transformation journey. Every morning, I started with this simple golden milk recipe. 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, this is crucial, and honey in warm milk. The black pepper increases the body's absorption of turmeric by 2,000%. Without it, you're wasting your time. In week 1, I noticed no difference. By week 2, I had noticed less stiffness in the mornings. By week 3, I was climbing stairs without pain for the first time in 2 years. My doctor was amazed by the improvement in my inflammatory markers. Here are 3 ways to get turmeric's benefits. First, the golden milk I mentioned. Perfect before bed. Second, make an anti-inflammatory shot. Blend fresh turmeric, lemon, black pepper, and olive oil. Take it first thing in the morning. Third, add half a teaspoon to your rice while cooking for a daily dose. Quality matters. Look for organic, bright orange powder or fresh root. If it's pale yellow, it's probably old and won't work. Here's your challenge. Try golden milk for 21 days. Document how you feel. I guarantee you'll notice the difference. And here's the best part. It costs less than $10 for a month's supply versus hundreds for prescription alternatives. If turmeric transformed your health like it did mine, smash that like button and subscribe for more kitchen pharmacy secrets. Next week, we're diving into garlic, nature's antibiotic. You won't believe what it can do.